Ayun pa, may malaki pa doon. May malaki, pre. Pre, ayun, may malaki. Sobrang laki. Bilis. Come on. Now only in front of us, so I am with Dario and Edward. We're using this duel. Where will I put my swings? We're using duel 2.5 first cast. Oh, the wind is against us. I can only throw in front of me. Cannot throw far. We will try on the right side of the match. The problem is the wind is coming toward us, so it's difficult to cast far. First I have this squid jig holder. Just 5 you can put eggy. You need to remove it from the tackle box. Highly recommended for ease of use. First catch. Woo! First catch of the day using duel 2.5 jig. Are biting now, cast. Woohoo! Let it sink. Uy, sabi, ayan na. Yes, squid on. Woohoo! Hindi, kaya. Tingnan mo kung may kasama, may sumusunod. Ayun, may sumusunod. Dalawa sumusunod yun sa akin. At ay, easy lang, dandan lang. Yan, tapunan mo na. Yan, sakto. Ayan na, oo. Daming sumusunod. 3. Sige lang. There's still more squid there. Ito na. Ay! Yes! Squid on! Woohoo! 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 Wala. Come on. Big one. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Saan?
Yes. No, continuous. Frenzy, squid frenzy. Woo. Come on, Dario, Dario. Dito, dito. Oh. Woohoo! Boss. Ayun, yun, yun, oh. Sige lang. Ayan, oh. Oh. Yan, yan. Sige, batuan mo. Hindi ko ano ito. Sige. Mayroon pa isang humabol dito. Pre! Dami! Dalawa, dalawa. Yeah, no squid. Ay, no squid. Dalawa. Ay, sayang. Bilis, pre. Uy, nagsabitan tayo. Nakuha mo? Ayan. Sige, yan, yan. Oo. Yes! Woohoo! Dario is... May isa ba?
Lagyan mo lang dito. Isa lang humahawak.
Ay, sandi, sandi. Sandi, sandi. Sige. Woohoo! Angat mo, dito. Oh, okay na. Oh, good size squid. Oh. Dario, fish on. Oh, wag dito. Angat mo boss, isa lang, isa angat lang. Dito.
Yes!
Yes. Cast again. Zumoy squid jig.
Oh, shit!
Dario is squid on. Boss, isa lang galamay yan ha. Isang galamay lang. O yun, squid on. Yes! Woohoo! Woohoo! Ah, may sumusunod dito oh. Yeah. Ayun oh. Oh. Ayun pa, may malaki pa doon, may malaki pre. Pre, ayun may malaki, sobrang laki. Bilis. Come on.
Saan yung malaki? Ay! Sa likod niya sa akin!
Yan. Meron pa isa? Ay, sorry, nag-test tayo. Ilalim ako, ilalim ako. Taas ka Edward, taas ka. Ayan, okay na. Ayan, yan na. May tumira nung sa akin.
Ha?
Ayun yung isa, yung isa. Hindi pa. Yeah, ikaw na, oy. Sige, ano natin yan, net. Oh, net. Nakawala.
Wala ka, dito ka.
Ano, magbatawa ba ako? Magbibideo na lang. Oh. Oh, huli nyo. That's the squid we caught in 5 minutes. Squid frenzy using our squid jig. Squid jig. Beautiful squids. This is our catch. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Oh, big one.